Hey everyone, it's Melissa here, and I've had a lot of requests to do a baking episode using my extreme banana nut bread recipe. This is obviously not my own recipe, so I can't take credit. I will link the recipe down in the description box below for you, but this is the end-all be-all banana bread recipe that you will need for the rest of your life, so please stop making other recipes. This is the one. Because I pack nut-free lunches for my daughter's school, I'm going to be doing a loaf that has no nuts in it just to have it available for packing in lunch boxes. And then per my husband's request, we are doing 3 other loaves that will have the walnuts in them. So just FYI. Are you so excited? If you guys have any suggestions about baking with multiple children in the kitchen, please leave your suggestions for me down below. I could definitely use them. The setup I've prepared today is basically like a complete mise en place setup where I've pre-measured for the children. We have taken the time to peel and mash our bananas together as a family. The bananas are already peeled and mashed. I have 4 cups of mashed bananas for 2 batches of this recipe. I have everything else set up in different stations. So far, so good for the children. We're gonna go ahead and cream our butter and sugar together. You can get started. Hold your bowl real tight. And mommy's gonna be with you.
No, all mashed. Is it mashed?
It's still getting mushed. Now that we have our butter and sugar incorporated, everything else is out and ready to go. We are going to crack our 4 eggs and stir them up, add our bananas, and then we're gonna add our dry ingredients in next. I've pre-measured out 2 cups of flour. Baking soda and salt are here. We're just gonna dump them in. It's good, it's okay. Good. Here, open. Good, and scramble, scramble. Here's all our liquids. How was this?
Fun. No fun.
It was no fun over here. Other side of the kitchen's doing better. We have our dry ingredients. Slowly put it in while you stir. Can you stir with the spoon? Grab your spoon.
Some spill.
Slowly, gently. Okay, back in. School? You did this at school? You? Oh my goodness. Okay, keep it in the bowl. So that was harrowing, but we got everything mixed up. I am going to pour 1 loaf's worth into this loaf pan. This is gonna be my no nut banana bread. These will need about 60 minutes with, someone watching towards the end.
Why she made a mess? Why she made a mess?
Okay, please stop shaking this bowl.
Why she made a mess?
No, please, seriously. Please. I love you. Well, it's definitely a little more challenging to do this recipe with kids. It is totally worth the effort, whether you love it with the nuts or you leave the nuts out. I always love to have a few loaves in the freezer for last minute gifts or hostess gifts. I have sold out at bake sales and yard sales with this banana bread, and you could even put it in a box and ship it to a loved one. It keeps that well. Thank you so much for joining me today. Let me know in the comments below if you decide to make this. I would love to hear from you. Let me know your tips for baking with kids. I'll see you soon.